Christmas is right around the corner, and you're probably wondering, what gifts will make my loved ones smile without breaking the bank? Well, you're in the right place. Stick around for the next hour as I reveal creative, budget-friendly gift ideas that everyone will love. These are gifts that stand out and won't empty your wallet. Whether you're shopping for family, friends, coworkers, or even kids, finding the perfect gift can feel like a challenge. That's why I've gathered a list of unique, affordable, and thoughtful ideas that work for any budget. Plus, I'll share some DIY options and tips to make your gifts even more special. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss more creative ideas like these. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who's also gift shopping.
One, personalized gifts. One of the most cherished gifts is something personalized. It shows you care enough to make it special. Customized mugs, photo calendars, or blankets with family pictures. Engraved jewelry like bracelets or necklaces. Custom storybooks for kids featuring their names and adventures. 2. Experience gifts. Sometimes the best gifts aren't things, they're memories waiting to be made. Family movie night kits, popcorn, blankets, and a streaming gift card. Cooking or baking kits with all the ingredients included. Tickets to a local zoo, museum, or holiday event. 3. Budget-friendly DIY gifts. DIY gifts can save money while showing how much effort you put into them. Handmade Christmas ornaments with family photos. Jar gifts like hot cocoa kits or cookie mix in mason jars. DIY spa kits with homemade bath salts, scrubs, and candles.
Funny and lighthearted gifts. Sometimes a good laugh is the best gift you can give. Funny socks with quirky sayings, joke books or desk calendars with daily humor, meme-inspired t-shirts or mugs. Subscription gift. 2. Creative subscriptions are like giving a gift that keeps on giving. Monthly coffee, snack, or book boxes. Spotify or Netflix gift cards for entertainment. Skill-building subscriptions like Masterclass or Skillshare. 3. Affordable DIY gifts. Doesn't mean it looks cheap, it can be classy and thoughtful. Homemade candles with festive scents like cinnamon or pine. Friendship bracelets or keychains. A scrapbook filled with your favorite memories together. Educational gifts. Kids love gifts that are fun and help them learn at the same time. STEM kits like build your own robots or science experiments. Interactive books with pop-ups or sound effects. Art supplies for painting, coloring, or crafting. Fun and playful gifts. You can never go wrong with something playful. Outdoor toys like bubble machines or sleds. Board games for family fun nights. Puzzles with holiday themes. Affordable DIY kids gifts. DIY gifts can also work wonders for kids. Handmade plush toys or stuffed animals. A DIY puppet theater set made from cardboard. Personalized coloring books you can print online. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss more creative, practical, and useful gifts. Segment 4. Budget-friendly gifts for coworkers. 1. Practical and useful gifts coworkers appreciate. Gifts they can actually use. Desk organizers or mini planners. Reusable coffee cups or water bottles. Small potted plants for their desk. 2. Affordable gifts. Small DIY gifts can show appreciation without costing much. Customized mugs with their initials or favorite quotes. Homemade baked goods like cookies or brownies. Desk-friendly aromatherapy candles. There you have it. Creative, budget-friendly Christmas gifts that everyone will love, from family and friends to coworkers and kids. Whether you go for DIY gifts or affordable store-bought items, the key is to add a personal touch and make your loved ones feel special. Which of these gift ideas is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful holiday tips. Don't forget to share this video with someone who needs gift inspiration this season.